Hello, how are you? I am Sahari. Nice to meet you, anyone new to this place. And I am a manifestation specialist and life designer, helping you to create the life you truly want and that you truly deserve. You may be trying to figure it out. Life must be better than this. Is it only just do cook and cleans and doing the running around for kids? Is that it? It's not. Trust me, it's not. So if you're wondering that, this is a perfect channel for you to. So follow me along if you like this sort of information. So today we're going to talk about, some of you maybe heard of this law of attraction, manifestation. You can create the life you want. I always say that, and it is true. But if that is a true hope, how come so many people still struggling? Do you wonder? And I was too. I knew thought created reality. That's how I changed my life, completely depressed and in depression, to living the life with a purpose and abundance now. That took me for many years to get here. But initially I thought I really doubtful. It's not seems like working. And then most of you maybe watched the movie Secret, or read the book Secret, or some of you may be following a lot of different manifestation teacher. And there is so many information out there, and I can tell you now, it's legit. It does work. This is a science. It's not like just a woo-woo stuff. This is actually work. And there's so many backup for science out there too. You can study if you really, like me, like to geek out that kind of science background or truth, I guess. And then that's there's information. So if you want to know where to go, I'll tell you. So let me know if you need more information. Anyway, I can tell you at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things why it's not working for many people. Okay, there is so many things, but this is I pick. Not everybody saying this is like what I think it's not working, and this is definitely the area I was lacking when I couldn't manifest very well. Only recently, I manifested $5,000, free $5,000. And also I manifested beautiful home in sunny, beautiful Queensland in Australia. That's just because I follow my principle of living, the new way of living, new lifestyle. It's called YOUZen lifestyle. That's what I teach to people. So first one is, this is quite common. Constant doubt of, am I doing right? Is this right? And do I have to do this and that? Constantly doubt in a place. Obviously, when you create more doubt in your mind, what's going to happen is you create more doubt in your life, right? So that's the principle of law of attraction. But I don't blame you for this, because this is a very sad true about marketing in this world. I can see a lot is so many people selling the service and the product from make you feel so fearful. And I have to say 100% I trapped in that as well. Like it's called FOMO, fear of missing out. And I called up so many times for this one and disappointed, because those marketers often say, without this, you won't be able to do X, Y, Z. Often they market like that. So if you are, for example, looking into law of attraction or manifestation in your life, you want to have really life you truly want, but all you see in social medias and advertisement, it's because you don't have this, that's why you're not manifesting. Because you have this, that's why you're not doing this. All that sort of thing happening, and you caught up saying, I think I'm doing that. Maybe I am doing that. Constantly doubt. So I just wanted to tell you right now, do not hooked with that. Some of them totally rigid. I must say this. I'm not knocking back all those people or all those marketing, but you yourself to really good research and coming from the place of feeling good. If the whatever program or service or book even, you feel good about it, do it. But if you decide to make a decision from fear, if I don't have this, I might not be able to do this and this, don't do it. Okay, so this is a hard truth, but it's happening. I can see it, and I got trapped as well. So I just wanted to point this one out. It's not your fault. Okay, so don't be constantly in a constant doubt of am I doing right. Okay, if you learn principle properly, it's quite simple. It's quite simple process, but so many people make it so complicated. You know, like this is just lifestyle change. That's what I teach in the YOUZen. YOUZen is just lifestyle change. You know, like you've been living with old style of living. A lot of doubts and a lot of luck. That sort of belief came from society and the media and the parents and all that sort of thing. You living with that. So that's going to my next point is reason why your law of attraction manifestation is not working, because you are still in autopilot. So autopilot living is the one coming from someone else's belief. We've been generation after generation, we've been passed on different beliefs, right? So for example, if you believe you have everything, you can have everything you want. Do you believe that? Do you believe you deserve all that? If I say to you, you can have all the money you want, you can have all the love you want, do you believe it? Or do you think you deserve it? Or you have already guided to your highest good. Do you believe it? If your answer is no, that means you're living with the autopilot, which is very limited and is someone else or something else's belief. It's not actually yours. So that's a second point for me to someone you feel like your manifestation is not working for you. Another one is giving your power away. What I mean by that is all those law of attraction and the law of universe, it's around us, but our society is so used to it to the quick fix. So we often go outside of us and giving the power away. So for example, you may be going to healer or I don't know, it's called fortune teller or whatever, you know, all those spiritual place. Then you think that's enough. You know, they can heal me. That sort of thing. You're giving the power away to outside of you. But your power is within you. So I'm not knocking back. I'm a healer myself. I'm a planet healer, so I'm not knocking back at all. But what missing is you have to do conjunction with them. Healer is complementary. We actually call complementary therapy. So you have to actually work with him if you want to good result from the therapist or healers or whatever it is. You the only person can change your life. So you have to bring the power back to you. That's my third point. So my fourth point is too busy doing the affirmation, ritual, all that sort of thing you can find. Say when you go into the Pinterest, say for example how manifestation work or something, there is heaps of information coming up, guided meditation and all the sort of things coming. You are too busy doing that, or visualization, you're too busy doing that, but are not actually taking action towards the things you really want. In order to take action, you really need to get rid of all the fears, because fear is the one holding you to where you are you don't really like. Now you learn law of attraction doesn't mean fear is all of a sudden go away. Fear will be still here. Your bad habit is still here. You need to start to practice is taking action towards your dream and goals. So that's my fourth point. Is that fourth? Yeah, I think so. Okay, last one. Last one is you not cleansing. What I mean by that is, again, busy doing all the positive stuff. Changing your mindset, doing the affirmation, changing the belief, reading out the new belief, and constant doing that. But you forget your dirty energy, your low. I don't like saying negative and positive, because it's just like really I don't call negative and positive. It's all good emotion, but it's just some unhealthy emotion and someone healthy emotion. So those unhealthy emotion is, if you can actually measure it, it's actually quite lower measurement. So just like, you know, taking the temperature, and you can actually measure the energy as well. Those unhealthy emotion, which is the doubt and the fears or traumas and the pain and anxiety and depression, those were lower emotion or unhealthy emotion. But the opposite of that is love and peaceful excitement, gratitude. That's a higher but healthy emotion. So you're almost doing this. Like you got holding your body is dirty water, and you pouring the good water, that beautiful water on the top of it, but it's always muddy. That's not going to change that. All you have to do is cleanse, then pour. You got to cleanse first. So you're forgetting doing those healing part. You're just constantly doing more of new thing. So that's my point 5. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 point. I really wanted to point out to make sure your manifestation working the best for you. So if you're feeling a little bit doubtful or hopeless, please don't, because it does work. It does work 100%. But you got to have a good accountability person to doing together, changing the habit, learn right way. And then this is not the one-stop shop. This is lifestyle change. This is habitual change. This is a lifetime thing. This is a journey, guys. I want you to really believe that. And don't forget to grab my free gift. It's called Turn Your Life Around and Craft the Life You Truly Want. So that will be in the description section. And grab that. It's guidebook and also workshop attached together. So heaps, buddy. So it's just grab that if you like to turn your life around and craft your life you want. That's the first step I actually took for my depression. So this is legit work. All right, that's it from me. See you guys.